In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Woocommerce emails. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to trigger a real transactional email from your store so you can confirm everything looks right. This method uses an existing order inside your WordPress dashboard and resends a built-in notification, which makes it perfect for checking layout, wording, and order details without creating anything new. Start by signing into your WordPress website and heading to your dashboard. From the main menu on the left, click Woocommerce to expand its options, then click Orders. This takes you to the full list of orders in your store. Pick a specific order you'd like to use for your test, ideally one that reflects a typical purchase with relevant items, totals, shipping, and taxes. Then click it to open the order details screen. On the order page, look for the Actions area on the left side. You'll see a drop-down labeled Choose an Action. Open that drop-down and select Resend New Order Notification. This option tells Woocommerce to send the new order email again for this order. It's the same message your store sends when a new order comes in, and it's commonly delivered to the store admin or whoever is set to receive order alerts. Click the button to run the action, and Woocommerce will immediately queue and send that email. Now switch over to your inbox and look for the test email. If it doesn't arrive within a minute or two, give it another moment, then check your spam or junk folder. When the email arrives, open it and review it carefully. Confirm the subject line reads naturally and matches your brand tone. Check that the store name, logo, and sender details appear correctly. Look through the order table to verify product names, quantities, variations, and line item prices. Confirm subtotals, taxes, shipping fees, discounts, and the final total. Make sure the order number and date are correct and that the billing and shipping addresses are formatted properly. If your email includes payment method, shipping method, or customer notes, confirm those are accurate and easy to read. Finally, scan for any strange spacing, broken images, or styling issues, especially if you're using a custom theme or template overrides. If everything looks good, you've successfully tested your Woocommerce email. If something seems off, note what you'd like to adjust in your theme or email settings and repeat the same resend process after making changes. This quick workflow is a safe, repeatable way to validate your emails and keep your store's communication professional and clear.